Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about fuel cell energy, and this is the long term chart or the monthly chart of this particular stock, and we have the data since 1992 and it's a substantial amount of data, and the kind of trend we have here, we probably what we can do here is basically divide the trend into two parts. Okay, let me just show you how to do that. Okay, so here you have one line and another line. You probably have like this, and this is the further. So as you can see, these three lines will separate the upper end from the lower end. Okay, and as we are watching the big trend or the monthly chart, obviously the levels are going to be very sharp or very big, probably on both the sides. So firstly, as you can see, the stock has already moved 2700% on the upside. So the stock has already given a substantial amount of return. So if you are looking for a long term, short term, then you better know your positions well, otherwise you will have a big problem. Even a short correction of 20-30% will cause you a lot. Now as you can see here, you have your first support at 1.6, followed by 1.02, and your big support will come at 0.14. Okay, now because it is moving higher, obviously the levels which we are going to look is on the higher side or on the upper end of the range, but one must know the support levels, because in any case of uncertainties you should know that if you want to, so the condition is, if you want to enter in this stock, you know the nitty gritties or the good risk reward ratio for this stock. Now the way the stock is moving, probably it will reach to its first target, which is at 10.2, followed by 16, and then you have $31. So these three are your major targets or resistance. Now here also, the first target or resistance will definitely come at $10, the second 16 or 17, and third is 31. Now each and every level is very important because it can turn the trend. Okay, because the way the firm has the stock chart has shaped up in the long term, these are all important and major support level, and from those levels the stock has already turned or bounced back or jumped quite sharply in the short term as well as in the long term. So all these three levels will definitely act, or one of these three levels, it doesn't matter. So we have to look each and every level with equal importance. So will definitely works as a big resistance. So one must be very aware of this fact and trail their stop losses accordingly. If the stocks moves above $10 or $11, then obviously you should trail your stop loss at 10.2. Then if it holds and makes a breakout above 16 or 17, then obviously you will trail your stop loss till 17, and so on. Now if there is a big condition that if the stock successfully makes a breakout and sustain above 31, if it able to do that, if the price sustain manage and sustain above 31, then the road will directly open probably till this level. Okay, so there are chances that this is not adjusted properly, but looking at this all this data, I am thinking that it is an adjusted chart. So please write me in the comments if this is not. So anyhow, the levels will be different. Okay, you will see the difference in price, but the trend will be the same. If the price is adjusted, then it is fine. If the price is not adjusted, then you will find a difference. Okay, but whichever chart you are following, you can simply draw a line like this, the way I have drawn, and you can simply check it out the higher end of the range. And here it is 678. If you have any another chart which is well informed, then you can follow that and just make sure that the levels which you are watching is right or not. Now this is the thing. So there are some conditions, but probably we are looking at the current price action. It is definitely moving higher, and we will see some very pretty big level on the upside. But most importantly, we are looking at a monthly chart. So obviously, uh, the levels will take some time. So if the levels get formed, it will definitely take some time. So if you are in looking for a short term, then you must be aware of these kind of facts. Okay, now on the upside, I have explained you the levels, I have explained you the conditions, and if it achieved her, if the way the stocks are moving, if the market is moving and the stock will get the support from the market, then obviously we are waiting for some pretty big levels on the upside to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.